welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa, and today I am going to do my September Paycheck number 3 budget. This is for September the 30th through October the 13th. So I have already written down all of my categories to save a little bit of time, and I am using this Clever Fox dotted journal, and they did give me a discount code if you're interested in picking something up from their website. I'm not an affiliate. I don't make any money if you purchase, so feel free to use that discount code that I have down below for you. So let's get started. So first off, I have my fixed expenses. Well, I guess I forgot my income. Let me write my income down first. That would probably be helpful. So my income is $1,500. Then I have my fixed expenses, and the first expense is my rent. And I'm going to set aside half of my rent, which is $640 a month. So I'm going to set aside $320. Then we have the electric bill. I'm going to set aside half of that, and the electric bill should be around $150. The air has not been running at all, really, so I'm going to set aside $75. Then we have the Apple bill, and this Apple bill is the family plan, and that runs $22 per month. Then we have Hulu, and Hulu runs, let's see, $22 per month. My renter's insurance is $50. My Amazon Prime membership is $16 per month. I have the electric down here again, which is, see y'all, I invested in some of these snazzy Papermate friction. Is it Papermate? No, Pilot friction pens. I'm so glad that I did. So Netflix is about $20. So let's add my fixed expenses up. So $320 plus 75 plus 22 plus 22 plus 50 plus 16 plus 20 is $525. Then I have my cash envelopes. First is groceries. I budget $100 per week, so that is $200 this check. Gas for my car is going to get $10 per week, so that's going to be $20 this check. Then we have personal spending. My budget is $20 per week, so that will be $40. My daughter Carol Ann, she gets $80 per week, and that covers her gas and spending money, and that's $160 this check. And last is the lawn care, and I pay the guy $75 each time he comes out. Usually comes every other week, so $75 is what I'll budget. So $200 plus 20 plus 40 plus $160 plus 75 is $495 for my cash envelopes. Then we are moving on to sinking funds. Now, I have 4 sinking funds: Christmas, fur babies, car maintenance, and car insurance, and I'm contributing the same amount for all of these. It is $25 per week, so that's going to be $50 for each one of my sinking funds categories. So the total is $200. So now let's find out how much I'm going to put into savings this check. So I've got an income of $1,500. minus my fixed expenses of $525, minus my cash envelopes of $495, subtracting sinking funds of $200, leaves $280 for savings. Now, my current goal is to save for a new home, or new to me house, and I'm saving for a down payment. My goal is to save as much as I can between now and the time I turn 50, which is going to be, gosh, how old am I? Isn't that terrible? I don't even know how old I am. So 1974. So, oh my golly jeepers, I'm not going to be 228, that's for sure. So 2022 minus 1974. So I'm going to be 48 this year. So it gives me a little more than 2 years to save for a home. And, you know, I'm just going to save as much as I can. So $280 this check is fabulous. So that is everything for this budget. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel. And I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.